Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's another tutorial coming from me. Yeah guys, today I'll be showing you how to tie this simple gele. This gele is beautiful. This gele is outstanding. So this is the simplest gele I've ever seen, and you can tie this gele by yourself. Somebody can tie it for you. Even a novice who don't know how to tie gele can tie this gele for you. So guys, as you can see on the screen, I've started my plates. Like I told you, you have to make a very beautiful plate at the first stage. After that, make sure you arrange both sides very well. Arranging both sides will help your gele to be flat when you cross it over to the other side. So guys, in this type of gele, just form your plate at the beginning of the gele. Form like 4, 3 or 5, anyone you want, but make sure that you remain the one that will cover the back of your hair. It's very important to cover the back of your hair, because if you don't cover the back of your hair in this type of gele, you won't like the outcome. So guys, when you are done with your plates, then the next thing you do is you twist the gele, the 70 parts that is remaining. Twist it very well, then you cross it over to the other end. That is all. This gele is very simple. So this is the back of this gele. So what I do here is you tie the 70 parts that is remaining with that of the 30. Tie it very well and make sure you bring it down before tying it. So when you are done, now you can see what I mean when I said you have to remain the one that you use to cover the back of your hair. As you can see now, the back of the gele is covered and is looking beautiful than when you leave your hair out. So that is all. You tie it very well, then you do their other arrangements. So like I told you before, this gele is very simple and is beautiful. So this is the finished look of this gele. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, please remember to subscribe so that we become friends. And when you subscribe, remember to click on that notification bell up there so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. My new subs, you are welcome. Thank you. Let's keep subscribing. I thank you all for coming back, for always coming back. I love you guys. See you in my next video.